The 2019 Ford Ranger. Guess what, folks? This truck has it all. Off-road ability? Got it. Gotta go do something stupid off-road? Wanna put a wheel in the air? Got it. You wanna really go crazy? Look at those numbers. It's not even done being out of control. Gotta tow something stupid? You can do it. You wanna do anything and everything possible? The Ford Ranger's for you. That Ram Rebel ain't got nothing on Ford. Tow the full-size truck, it don't care. Power wagon? It's a bitch. That's right. Put a whole bunch of crap in the bed, it'll haul it. It don't give a rat's ass, and guess what? It is wife approved. Look at that face. That's the truck she's gonna steal out from underneath you. And see that kid right there? She's got the helmet on. She's ready to go. Don't believe me? Let the truck speak for itself.